When it comes to neural and cardiac electrodes, laser restructuring is gaining acceptance as an alternative to vacuum-deposited coating techniques. This technique subjects biocompatible metal components to short, high-energy laser pulses, shifting the surface atoms to build up the desired structure without affecting other properties. These scanning electron microscope images show the different laser restructured surfaces possible for stainless steel. Laser restructuring can enhance an electrode's electrical properties. Here, under constant voltage stimulation, current delivery is increased. And the laser restructured electrode exhibits reduced polarization effects over time versus titanium nitride coating. Higher capacitance can enhance a battery's life or package size and improve signal-to-noise ratios and charge transfer efficiencies, all without biocompatibility issues, unwanted thermal stresses, or higher production costs. For more information about Pulse Technologies' laser restructuring capabilities, download our white paper at www.pulsetechnologies.com.